Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that your Bluetooth headphone or any other Bluetooth device is not connecting on your Windows PC. It can be Windows 10, it can be Windows 11. So I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So first of all, just press Windows R at the same time. This run window will pop up, and here just type services.msc. This is the prompt. Click OK, and after that find this Bluetooth support services option and click it to open. And here change the setup type manual to automatic and click apply. And after that, if the service status is not running, click start. I'm gonna close it, and if this is saying select start, select start, and the service status will show it's running, and then select OK. If this doesn't work, just select this restart the service, and it will restart your service and fix the issue. And the next step is simply close this one and re restart your PC, and then see if you can connect your Bluetooth device like headphones on any other Bluetooth speaker on your or laptop or PC or not. And this will help you solve this problem. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll catch you in the next one.